This tutorial will describe how to add selected objects such as genes to a saved list. For basic information on creating lists, please view the tutorial Creating and Using Gene Lists. There are two ways to add selected objects from one list to another. You can run a query and add selected results to one of your saved lists, or you can add selected objects from one saved list to another saved list. Let's start with adding selected objects from the results of a query to an existing list. First, run a query. Here's a simple one that looks for all genes associated with the phenotype shmoo formation. When you retrieve your results, you can save selected objects as a list by selecting the desired items that you wish, clicking Create List and giving your list a name. I'll hit Cancel as this is reviewed in a separate tutorial. Instead, let's say I want to select a few objects from my list and add them to one of my saved lists. Click on the Create to Add to List button and select the Add to Existing List button. Then choose items from the individual table. Note that for a given gene, all other rows representing this gene are selected when you select any of them. Click Add Selected to add your new objects to your saved list. You will see a note indicating at the top of the page that they have been added. The second way to add objects to a selected list is to select them from one of your saved lists. I'm currently viewing my saved lists. Say I want to add objects from Gene List 2 to Gene List 1. I first click on List 2 to select my genes. The interface appears slightly different than before, but the process is still the same. Click on the Create to Add to List button, then select Add to Existing List, and then choose individual items from the table. Once again, I can select the list to which I would like to add my selected items to, and then click Add. A note at the top of the page indicates that the objects are added to the selected list. And remember, to save lists from session to session, create a YeastMine account. Please see the two YeastMine tutorials for further explanation. Please contact us here at SGD with any questions or suggestions at sgd-helpdesk@lis.stanford.edu.